हाउ टू कन्वर्ट एक्सेल फाइल टू पीडीएफ फाइल। एक्सेल फाइल को पीडीएफ फाइल में किस तरह से कन्वर्ट करेंगे, आइए देखते हैं। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, you go to the description box, and in the description box given a link. So click on this link and you will be get this online page. I love PDF. You can also search this PDF in mobile and laptop. If you have a mobile, then this video is helpful for you, automatically very much helpful. Then and this website is absolutely free, so you can use it. So I have started this video. For select Excel files, then click on this and you can select the Excel file in A1. So I have desktop, click on the desktop and I have this file A1. So also this, and click on open. So you can see here the file is uploaded, and click on the convert to PDF. So you can also see here the PDF is converting and the PDF converted. So click on the download PDF and the PDF is downloaded. So open this PDF and you can see the PDF is opened and the file is in the Excel, but the PDF is opened in the PDF format. Okay, so you can see here download file. This is download file, and you can see the PDF file. Okay, so this method is very easy and used in the mobile and desktop both devices. So use this method. Thanks for watching this video, and if any question, then write in the comment box. I try to solve your questions. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.